Oscar's short-term trading videos. Good afternoon, good evening, traders, whatever it is for you right now. I am going to show you some great things that are on the board, and we'll look at some fantastic charts that will help you trade the markets tomorrow, that's tomorrow, on Wednesday, December 2nd, 2015. As we know, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial losses, certainly not suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose, and please know that a stop is your best friend for as long as they allow us to continue to place them. Traders, what's on the board? Green Omni, Russell, emini, S&P, and NASDAQ. Fantastic. I love the Green Omni. I love what's going on. On Tuesday, or I should say Monday night, we had the emini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell settle outside of their infamous Omni or Oscarisms called the F flags. But then today, Tuesday all day, they got back into the F flags. The Omni flipped back into a long, and that excites me, and I want to show you why. What's on the board? Indices are back in the saddle and back in the F flags, and round of applause for that, because I think we blast off. We have technical reason. Fundamental reason? Auntie J to the rescue. My Aunt Yelen, she's my aunt, you know that. Auntie J is going to have a speech tomorrow, so there's going to be a sighting of Auntie J, and I don't remember any time that there's been a sighting of Auntie J in the last year that didn't goose the markets higher. So we've got a fundamental, Auntie J to the rescue, and then the gold hunt is back on, baby. We took a one-day break. We said let the gold go neutral for Tuesday. Wednesday, we want to smack it right back down again by selling short. Traders, if you like the charts I provide to you in these videos, if you like the advice that comes from me in these videos, come join me at livewithoscar.com. Come into my free trading room and allow me to help you understand the analysis. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders. When I showed you this chart in last night's video, the sad thing was we were down here and we settled below the flag. The Omni flipped to red, and I have no choice but to tell you we're selling rallies. And believe it or not, selling rallies did work on Tuesday as long as you were quick and you got out after the dip came. This very same chart, though, or the very same market, comes all the way back up here today and gets towards the top of the flag. Bravo for that. The Omni flips, the Omni's bullish. Here's your NASDAQ, the same exact thing. NASDAQ yesterday comes out of the flag. Today, today, Tuesday, gets right back into the flag, but it settles above it. And that's an interesting development, and let me show you why. Last time we came out here, it settled all the way down here. So you had a big bar that came out, but it settled here. In this instance, we actually settled out above the flag. Let me blow this very same chart up for you so that you can see just how far above the flag we did settle. Exact same chart trade as you are here. That's not bad considering that it settled up here and above the flag. So Omni wants to buy the dips, and the flag tells us we should move higher. So that's emini, S&P, and NASDAQ. Look at the Russell. Showed you this chart in last night's video, but we were out of the channel. Look what happened today. Back in and settled inside of the channel. Great development. Russell 2000. Blow that chart up. Remember, you are in an inverted head and shoulders, which is bullish. You're in a very strong channel, which you got down under, but settled back inside of. See that? Now we're inside the channel again. Very interesting. So our indices are looking quite bullish there. Then there's gold, traders. Great chart. Take a look at this. An Oscarism known as the F flag, but this one is the downward F flag. Here's your pole. Here is your flag. Traders, look at when it hits here. Look at the failure. I depicted it with the red arrow. Failure, breakdown. Hits here. Back again. Failure. Breaks down. Hits here again. Failure. Breaks down. What did it do on Tuesday? It hit right here. Time to sell. Omni went red, and if you ask me, we will continue to stay inside of the Oscarism known as the F flag. Traders, the gold hunt is on. Remember, we are in February gold now. You are not trading December any longer. Move to February 16. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. Traders, so you've seen what I'm looking at on the commodity side. What you may not realize is the Omni Trading Academy also puts out stock recommendations. We've got commodity recommendations where we buy the indices, maybe gold, maybe crude oil, maybe sugar, who knows? And then we also have the stock side of Omni. Omni is looking at Tesla Motors for a buy for trading on Wednesday. Now, just 2 days ago, I gave my trading room LinkedIn. It rallied $7 today alone. Great call by Omni. I'm giving you Tesla now, and with no further ado, let me show you the Tesla chart. Traders, Tesla Motors, this is our stock pick, the Omni stock pick for trading on Wednesday and maybe further on. Tesla Motors, this is your 200 bar moving average. Tesla gets near it, falls apart, near it, falls apart, near it, falls apart, gets near it, builds an F flag. We're seeing these all over the charts lately. Gets above the 200 by this far and settles all the way up here. Interesting. What's more, this would absolutely be considered a cup and handle formation. Looking good there as well. I'm not the biggest believer in this crazy thing, but that I'm a much bigger believer in. And the Omni is bullish. Tesla Motors, we are looking to buy for trading on Wednesday. Come on down to livewithoscar.com and allow me to show you how we will be trading Tesla Motors. So, traders, you've seen the Omni. Now you see why we're bullish in the indices. Plus, we got the Auntie J to help us out. You see the bearishness in gold. And do not forget Tesla, TSLA, Tesla Motors. Traders, one of the things about Tesla Motors is it's one of those things that they're going to be taking the stops away from in February next year. Remember, the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange will no longer be accepting stop orders or GTC orders come February. You are going to need a service that stays up 24 hours a day watching the markets and notifying you when your trades need to be stopped out, God forbid. That is what we do here at the Omni Trading Academy. Get geared up for it. Get with us now so when these changes come next year, it's only a month and a half, 2 months away, you will be ready for the changes. That's at livewithoscar.com. Finally, there's this. If you like the method that I show you, the analytical approach that I use to trading, what I try to show you in each one of these educational videos, if you would like to learn that approach, it's called the Omni, Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator. If you would like to learn that approach for yourselves, you should come on down to livewithoscar.com, click the OmniCamp banner, fill out your application for OmniCamp. OmniCamp is a 4-day session held live here in Las Vegas. I will teach you exactly how to come up with the Omni on your own. So with or without me, if I get hit by a bus tomorrow, after you leave OmniCamp, you'll be able to survive without me. I prefer to teach you to fish than to feed you a fish. I'd rather see you feed your family than just eat once. If that sounds appetizing to you, livewithoscar.com, click the OmniCamp banner, come join me for January 22nd through 25th at OmniCamp 2016. All right, traders, remember, livewithoscar.com, most important, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in for the time being. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.